subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it, account disabled. Your account has been disabled. If you have any questions or concerns, you can visit our FAQ page or here. So why you see those errors? This error means that your account disabled by Facebook. So mostly the best way is just create new account, because you can also write appeal for Facebook, but mostly only some accounts can recover, and bigger part of them just disabled, and you couldn't restore your account. So that's why, in my opinion, the better way, just create new account and just use Facebook on new account. Mostly Facebook just block your account because you just make a lot of actions at one time. So you maybe like too much, or just comment on some pages, or just share some information, and Facebook just thinks that maybe you're a bot. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and bye.